In today's video, I will walk you through how to ask ChatGPT to teach you anything. If you want to learn something quickly, you can ask ChatGPT to teach you directly instead of searching through Google or going through manuals. Start by typing what you want to learn into ChatGPT and ask it to teach you step by step. For example, if you want to learn how to dance, type a prompt asking ChatGPT to teach you how to learn to dance. Once you send the message, ChatGPT will generate a detailed guide explaining how to begin. You can also use the same method for learning different languages. Type the language you want to learn and ask ChatGPT to teach you step by step. It will respond with lessons and instructions to help you get started. You can also ask ChatGPT to teach you software. For example, if you want to learn Photoshop, type a prompt asking it to teach you Photoshop step by step. ChatGPT will then generate instructions showing you how to get started. If you are stuck on a project or homework, you can paste the project or problem directly into ChatGPT and ask it to solve it for you. After you send it, ChatGPT will generate an answer and explain the steps it used so you can follow along. You can also use it for math homework. Paste the math problem into ChatGPT and ask it to solve it. It will then explain the process and show the steps needed to get the answer. After finishing your homework or project, you can ask ChatGPT to check your work. Paste your assignment into the chat and ask it to review everything for you. You can also ask ChatGPT to grade your work. For example, type a prompt asking it to grade your paper out of 100. Once you send it, ChatGPT will give your work a score and explain why it gave that grade. You can continue asking follow-up questions anytime you need more help or want additional explanations. Simply type another message with what you want ChatGPT to teach, solve, check, or grade, and it will continue responding with more detailed instructions and answers.